All right, here's a walk around our new trailer that I need to either leave that open or seal up all that area. It's just kind of wonky. There's the other door there. I've got these cool hubcaps put on. Glass. Part of me's thinking opening up both sides, but no, we're gonna want a wall. Maybe we just wall out. Research Linville. So get dimensions of that. That other door is in there to put on there. And this is the side. Take the spare off. Cut this open, and this is the bar. Looks like that's locked or not, didn't want to open. Which is probably okay. Maybe we cut this whole thing open here and just redo this whole deal, depending on what kind of windows I find. Maybe that big western gliding window fits in that whole thing. That's probably the ticket. So those dimensions, do a video showing the dimensions, loop that in. So this lock is broke. To fix if we want to get into that storage area would be kind of nice. Put the new plates on the caddy. Figure out if you can open that trunk or not. And the doors, it's too cold out here right now. Clean all this out. Thing we got to figure out is how to get this hood back. Research and understand how to do that. We want to keep this sweet hood ornament here on the whole front. So I think we're going to put the horns, the Texas Longhorns, on top. We were gonna put those big wagon wheels, but for safety reasons, I think she's gonna sit just like this. Can clean all this out and figure out how to recover the seats and whatnot, or just get rid of them and put wagon seats in or something. There we have it. She's a beaut, Clark.